Cryptocurrencies. You've heard about them, you've seen the news, but how do they actually work? In this video, we'll break it down for you in the simplest way possible. Let's dive in. At their core, cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, they're not controlled by governments or banks. Instead, they operate on a technology called blockchain. So, what's a blockchain? Imagine a chain made of blocks, and each block stores a list of transactions. Every time someone sends or receives cryptocurrency, the transaction is recorded in one of these blocks. Here's the genius part: this chain isn't stored on one computer or server. It's distributed across thousands, even millions, of computers around the world. That's why it's called decentralized. If one computer fails, the network still works. Now, how do transactions happen? Let's say Alice wants to send 1 Bitcoin to Bob. When Alice initiates the transaction, it gets added to a pool of unconfirmed transactions. Here's where the miners come in. Miners are specialized computers solving complex mathematical puzzles to validate these transactions. Once a miner solves the puzzle, the transaction is confirmed, and it's added to the blockchain. The miner also gets rewarded with new cryptocurrency. This is called mining. You might be wondering, what makes this system secure? It's cryptography. Each transaction is encrypted, and once a block is added to the blockchain, it's nearly impossible to alter. To hack a blockchain, someone would need to control more than 50% of the network, a task so expensive and difficult that it's practically impossible for most cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies offer some exciting benefits. Global accessibility: you can send or receive crypto anywhere in the world in minutes. Lower fees: no middlemen like banks mean fewer transaction fees. Transparency: every transaction is recorded on the public blockchain for anyone to verify. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Cryptocurrencies can be volatile, their value can swing wildly, and they're not always regulated, which makes them a target for scams. But as the technology matures, it's becoming clear that crypto and blockchain are here to stay. So, that's how cryptocurrencies work. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Have questions or want to learn more about a specific topic? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.